How can this comb help you to reduce pain and have a more comfortable labor? So according to gate control theory, pain can be reduced by interrupting the nerves from sending pain signals to your brain stem. What we do with the interruption is through this comb. So according to acupressure principles, there is a point in your hand called the pericardium 8. It is also called the Lao Gong point. So in Chinese, Lao Gong means husband. When you stimulate this point, you can reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. What we will do with this comb is to put it right across this point, and as the surge begins, you squeeze it and stimulate it, and at the peak of the surge, you can squeeze it at the hardest. I like to pair this with hypnobirthing breathing techniques, and you can also have your labor companion squeeze your hips from behind. And all three of these will combine to give you a much more comfortable labor process. I hope you found this useful. This is Dula Lorraine.